Okay guys, so in this video we're gonna sand these parts down and we'll spray them. We're gonna put base coat and then we're gonna spray clear coat. First I'm gonna hit this primed areas with 180 grit just to save time, and then I'm gonna finish with 400 grit. This is just basically a rough paint prep. I'm gonna finish it up by hand with a special paste that I use when I prep parts for paint. Can't remember the name of it. If you like to know, just check out the other video that I posted when I do a step-by-step paint job. You can find it there, but it's Preston or something like that. Just check it out. Yeah, let me get to it. Okay guys, so everything is prepped. Hood, two fenders and bumper, and everything is already final as far as prep goes. White tack rag and everything. So I'm basically ready to spray, and I'm gonna spray base coat and then I'm gonna spray clear coat, and we're gonna be done. So let me just put you in a little box. I don't want to get overspray all over you guys, so here we go. Okay guys, so it's been about, well, how long it's been? It's been 24, 12, 4 plus. So guys, it's been about 36 hours since I sprayed these panels. I'm actually very anxious to put them on. I'm gonna put them on and then do a final, after I adjust everything, then I'll do a final buffing. So yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so hood and fenders are roughly where they're supposed to be. First I usually start with the door, line the door, and then bring everything to the front as far as alignment. I have to install a bumper to be able to finish the hood and the fender alignment, because bumper will dictate how far hood is gonna have to sit, because I can open up the front, I can spread fenders out and push hood forward to the bumper. So bumper is gonna be pretty much a fixed line. I won't be able to move bumper much, but I will be able to move hood and fenders quite a bit. So next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna put headlights because I can't put bumpers without headlights, and after we put headlights we're gonna put a bumper. But before bumper is ready to be installed, we have to assemble it, because there is quite a few pieces that need to be installed on the bumper. So let's do that right now. Well guys, this is gonna be it for this video. As you can see, parts are on the car. I still do have to do a little bit of alignment on the hood. It's not, there is no latch installed, just simply because I don't want to run back and forth opening the hood. And also, to finish the alignment, I would have to put a tray trunk inside, because sometimes the seal inside the tray will mess up your alignment if you align everything without the tray and you put in tray afterwards. Your alignment could be messed up. So stick around, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.